Hi, this is Bong Sasi. We're here at Valley Gardens. It's March 29, 2014. We just finished the wedding of Jer and Aga, Mr. and Mrs. Abanya. We'd like to ask short feedback about their experience. So for those of you who will be watching this on my website, you'll have an idea of how I do hosting. So, sir and Miss Aga, ano po nasasabi niyo?
Si Sir Bong na dito ko yung dito sa Bridal, which is a popular site ng wedding dito sa Philippines. Trinay kong i-search yung YouTube videos niya and nagustuhan ko yung parang i-handle yung event. And based on experience, kahit medyo naging maraming tao kasi noon na kami yung dinner, who expected maging less na yung tao after naging lively yung program dahil sa mga ginawa ng prepared meetings.
Nasabi ko naman ito, nagkakilala kami sa ginagawa ng meeting. First meeting ba ako ng host. Hindi kasi siya, hindi siya mahirap kausap yung mga bagay yung gusto naman yung mga request. Sinasaalang-alang mo yun. Tsaka iba siya mag-concept. Yung concept niya is pinabagay niya rin kung sino yung personality ng kakasal. So, experience ko lang ito is okay siya. Tsaka pag-handle si pressure, tulad ng kasal namin na yun, kaya niya.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Abanya. And you can visit my website at www.bongsasithehost.pb.com. Set the date, we'll make it good. Thank you.